Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to either enable or disable hardware acceleration mode in your Google Chrome web browser. So without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the Chrome browser, and then dito lang sa top right corner, and then click mo lang yung three dot icon, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa settings, and then select mo lang dito yung system. So click mo lang siya. And then dito sa system, bago tayo mag-proceed, and in a quick info about hardware accelerations. So basically, it refers the process by which an applications will upload certain computing tasks onto specialized hardware components within the system. Okay, so kung paano ba natin ito enable or disable, makikita mo dito yung use hardware accelerations when available. So, dito sa right side, makita mo dito na naka-enable siya. Okay? Kung gusto mo itong i-disable, so click mo lang itong button niya. Ayan, and then click mo lang itong relaunch. So, click lang natin yan. And then wait natin. Okay, so makita mo dito na naka-disable siya. Okay? Kung gusto mo itong enable, so click mo lang itong button niya. And then, kailangan lang natin mag-relaunch. So, every time na enable or disable natin ay kailangan mag-relaunch. Okay, so click mo lang itong relaunch. Ayan, so makita mo dito naka-enable na siya. So, ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin enable or disable hardware accelerations in Google Chrome. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.